The automotive industry, with a staggering $6.5 billion investment strictly dedicated to electric vehicles, EVs, is witnessing a surge in electric car production. However, amidst this electrifying movement, a significant challenge persists: the struggle to find enough buyers. Despite some EVs gaining popularity, others languish on dealer lots due to various factors such as cost and charging concerns. To provide real-time insights, we've analyzed EV inventory data from CarEdge to uncover which electric models are struggling to find buyers. Leaving us a like proves you like what we do here. Then be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified of any recent video. Thank you. Starting from the bottom of the list, let's explore the top 10 electric cars that dealers can't seem to sell. 10. Mercedes-Benz EQE. Mercedes-Benz has expanded its lineup to include EVs such as the 2023 Mercedes-Benz EQE sedan. Despite claiming an impressive driving range of 305 miles, dealer inventory data reveals a lack of enthusiasm among customers, with some dealers reporting over 6 months' worth of EVs in stock. 9. Cadillac Lyriq. In the case of the Cadillac Lyriq, General Motors (GM) has faced challenges in selling electric vehicles profitably. Despite its efforts to penetrate the luxury electric vehicle market, the Lyriq has encountered resistance from consumers, leading to pricing adjustments in certain markets. GM's decision to slash prices reflects the broader struggle to generate demand for electric vehicles, particularly in regions where infrastructure and consumer confidence in EV technology are still developing. The Lyriq, Cadillac's first foray into the luxury electric vehicle segment, offers impressive features such as sharp styling, a modern cabin, and a range of up to 300 miles per charge. However, these attributes have not translated into robust sales, as evidenced by the significant inventory backlog at dealerships. With over 2,600 Lyriq EVs sitting unsold in dealer lots, representing a market supply of 151 days, GM faces the challenge of stimulating demand for its electric offerings. The sluggish sales of the Lyriq have broader implications for GM's electric vehicle strategy, particularly as the company grapples with delays and engineering challenges in its EV lineup. The decision to divert employees from an assembly plant retooled for EV production underscores the urgency of addressing the demand shortfall. Additionally, GM's decision to delay the launch of the Silverado EV pickup truck reflects the company's cautious approach to expanding its electric vehicle portfolio in response to market dynamics. 8. Nissan Leaf. Once a favorite as the first mass-market EV, the Nissan Leaf has seen declining sales. With over 2,600 units waiting for buyers, dealers are struggling to move inventory, reflecting 161 days of market supply. 7. Ford F-150 Lightning. Despite high expectations, the all-electric F-150 Lightning is facing sluggish demand. Nearly 9,000 Lightning trucks sit idle in U.S. dealerships, representing 182 days of market supply. This contrasts sharply with Ford's combustion-based hybrid pickup, the Maverick, which is in high demand. 6. Genesis GV60. The GV60, Genesis' first EV, arrived with much anticipation, but is now struggling to attract buyers. With a 190-day supply of inventory, sales remain modest, indicating challenges despite being in its second model year. 5. Ford Mustang Mach-E. Ford's ambitious EV plans are outpacing demand, with over 25,000 Mach-E crossovers sitting unsold in dealer lots, equivalent to 204 days of market supply. Price cuts and rebates aimed at competing with Tesla's pricing strategy have yet to translate into profitability. 4 and 3. Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV and Sedan. Despite its deep pockets and commitment to an electric future, Mercedes-Benz is struggling to sell its EQS models. With over 221 days worth of inventory, dealers are facing challenges due to high prices and limited lease support. 2. Porsche Taycan. Porsche's first electric car, the Taycan, initially garnered attention for its performance, but has seen declining sales for almost 2 years. Dealers currently hold over 2,600 units, representing a significant inventory backlog. 1. Jaguar I-Pace. Jaguar's I-Pace electric crossover has failed to make a significant impact in the market, with around 400 units languishing in dealer lots. Facing marginal range and technical issues, Jaguar has announced plans to discontinue the I-Pace. As automakers strive to navigate the evolving landscape of electric mobility, it's clear that simply producing electric vehicles isn't enough to guarantee success. The data reveals a disconnect between production targets and consumer demand, highlighting the complexities of transitioning to an all-electric future. One key factor contributing to the sluggish sales of electric cars is the discrepancy between supply and demand. Dealerships are grappling with excess inventory, leading to significant market day supply figures that indicate prolonged periods before vehicles find buyers. Despite efforts to incentivize purchases through price cuts and rebates, consumers remain cautious, weighing their options carefully against factors like pricing, range, and charging infrastructure. Moreover, the challenges extend beyond individual models to broader market dynamics. Luxury brands like Cadillac and Mercedes-Benz, with their high-end electric offerings, face hurdles in attracting buyers due to pricing premiums and limited lease support. Similarly, legacy automakers like Ford and Nissan, while making strides in electrification, must contend with shifting consumer preferences and intense competition from newer entrants like Tesla. As the automotive industry grapples with these challenges, it's essential for stakeholders to collaborate and innovate to address consumer concerns effectively. This includes investing in infrastructure, developing compelling EV offerings, and implementing marketing strategies to educate and engage consumers. Furthermore, the dynamics of the electric vehicle market are also influenced by external factors, such as regulatory policies and economic conditions. In some regions, government incentives and emissions regulations incentivize consumers to adopt electric vehicles, leading to increased demand and sales. Conversely, economic downturns or fluctuations in fuel prices can impact consumer purchasing behavior, affecting the adoption rate of electric cars. In response to these challenges, automakers are exploring innovative strategies to spur demand and streamline production processes. This includes investing in research and development to enhance battery technology, reduce manufacturing costs, and improve vehicle performance. Additionally, partnerships with technology companies, energy providers, and infrastructure developers are essential for building an ecosystem that supports widespread electric vehicle adoption. For instance, collaborations like Aptera's partnership with the CPC Group and CTNS aim to accelerate production and advance solar EV programs. By leveraging the expertise and resources of these partners, Aptera can overcome funding challenges and expedite the development and commercialization of its electric vehicles. Similarly, the move to the UAE represents an opportunity for Aptera to tap into the region's abundant resources and leverage its strategic location as a hub for innovation and investment. While there may be concerns about potential loss of ownership, Aptera's partnership with UAE-based entities could provide the necessary financial backing and support to scale its operations and bring its electric vehicles to market. Despite the current hurdles, there's optimism for the future of electric mobility. With continued advancements in technology, declining battery costs, and increasing environmental consciousness, electric vehicles are poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of transportation. However, realizing this potential will require concerted efforts from automakers, policymakers, and consumers alike to overcome existing barriers and accelerate the transition to a sustainable electric future. While the EV market shows promise, challenges remain in convincing consumers to embrace electric vehicles fully. Despite substantial investments and ambitious plans, automakers must address pricing, range, and consumer concerns to drive widespread adoption of electric cars. And now let's hear from you in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's content, then give us a like, subscribe, and ensure the bell notification is on to be notified of our recent content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.